Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to drive Honda Fit Hybrid. Begin by adjusting the seat and mirrors and fastening your seatbelt before starting the vehicle. Press the brake, push the power button, and shift to D while checking the dash for ready indicators. Ease off the brake gently and use smooth throttle to keep the hybrid motor engaged. Practice gentle braking and regenerative braking to maximize efficiency and comfort on every trip. Warm up your confidence by learning the Fit Hybrid controls before you move. Use the power button with the brake held and ensure the ready light shows, then shift to D and glance at the hybrid system display. Try ECO mode for gentler throttle mapping and improved economy, and switch to EV when driving at low speeds if battery permits. Practice using one foot for brake and throttle and anticipate stops for smooth region braking. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical guides. Quick recommendation: I use leak-proof containers for easy meal prep and tidy storage in the Fit, and they fit neatly in cup holders or the trunk for road snacks. They seal well and save time on busy days, which pairs nicely with efficient driving. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Drive the Honda Fit Hybrid like a gentle commuter, and you will love the results. Keep throttle input smooth and avoid rapid starts so the electric motor can help more often. Watch traffic ahead and coast into stops to capture energy with region braking, and use cruise control when safe to maintain steady consumption on highways. Remember to plan lane changes early and minimize hard braking to preserve efficiency and comfort.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.